Hello and welcome to another new episode of Learning Simplified. In this video tutorial series, we will be learning all about the text formatting options being used in UI Semantic. Stay tuned. Now, in learning the text format classes in UI Semantic, frankly speaking, there are plenty of classes, plenty of options being defined over there to display your contents in some different manners. But among those various classes, we will be practically discussing about some of them, or very few of them, and the rest of those classes are practically being placed into their official website, so you may have a look of it. But in this particular case, all we are about to do, we will be observing various UI header tags for page heading. Next, we will be observing the UI header classes for content heading with various classes, using the vertical segment to group all the contents in a vertical manner. Next, we will be emphasizing our header with icons, and in the next case, we will be emphasizing the header with the images, and in the last case, we will be changing the font color of paragraph texts. Now, all those things, all those parts are practically huge one and a large one to be discussed. So that is why we have sequentially broken up this entire segment, this entire video series in some particular videos, and we will be uploading them frequently into our channel. So I would like to ask you to subscribe our channel and have a closer look at these classes when discussed here step by step. So in the first case, UI header tags for page heading. This is the first thing that we will be learning here. That is why we will be heading back to our text editor, and here we can see that we have already created a container class within which we have created a grid, within which we have created row and the column. And here in the first case, we can see that this is an HTML header tag, which is H1. So this is the H1 tag. Practically, if we have a look into our HTML, we will see that there are 6 kind of header tags actually, which has been widely used in HTML, starting from H1 to H6. So we have used all those header tags in HTML, but in UI Semantic, first of all, if we have a look at the output, press Ctrl S, head back to our project and reload, and we can see that this will be the obvious result so far. We are not actually using any kind of additional classes into it. So in an order to do so, we will be using some classes here like this UI header. Now this is the class that we are about to use in each and every individual cases. So we will be just copying them and pasting them everywhere to see the result, what additional changes it brings on. Press Ctrl S, head back to your project and reload, and you can see that there are some kind of spacing and font size changes being observed into our header text. So UI Semantic basically uses 2 kinds of header tags over here. The first one is for page heading and the second one is the content heading. Now we are practically observing the page heading classes here. So this is the output, this is the result which will be observed after we just added this UI header class.